Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. The one that I bought is this one, 78cm Ruby speaker, Bluetooth soundbar speaker TV, subwoofer 3D. Let's see some of the pictures. Okay, it's actually from here. Not this one. This one. Okay. Okay, this. Okay, and now the price is 5130. The price is changeable, but yeah, it's somewhere around there. And you see there's about 2,000 people bought, and many good reviews. That's why I bought it. So this is the specification a bit, and also this is the last one. Okay, now let's look into the product. Okay, this is the box that I got, the whole box. So if you look closely into the details, okay, and then so okay. Now let's unbox it. Wow, it looks nice. First impression is very good. Oh, okay. So let's see. So below, like this, and then here. I don't know which is up or down. Like this. It's supposed to be like this, right? And then on the side here, nothing. And then here, okay, and behind the on off, and there's another part here also for you to hang. I don't want to open later on, and this below nothing. Okay, yeah. And then what else? Yeah. Okay, this aux 3.5 wire, and then type C USB, and this one also show, I guess, and home TV E-5011 is in manual. Like this, you can see. Okay, it's in Chinese. Okay, so that's it. Probably I'm gonna try later on, and I'm gonna do some review maybe. And but let's see if I on now. Oh, that's the sound.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna off. Oh, all right. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.